Hi, welcome to NatureMumma. Not many know this, but coffee has been used as a natural hair dye for a very long time. Coffee can turn your light hair darker or give your naturally dark hair a healthy glow. Dyeing hair is common, and most people have done this at least once in their lifetime. Likewise, most people drink coffee, so why not use that coffee and make a hair dye with natural ingredients? It is important to note that dyeing your hair naturally sometimes does not last as long. However, it is equally important to note that this method of coloring your hair does not do damage to your hair. It can even strengthen it. There are over 5,000 different chemicals used in unnatural hair dyes, per the National Cancer Institute. Many of these chemicals are known to cause cancer. However, coffee is a completely natural product that not only will not cause damage but will also benefit your hair. When using the all-natural coffee mixture, your hair will have the proper shine and shade. This mixture also helps grow your hair more quickly, per a study that was published in the 2007 issue of the International Journal of Dermatology. How to use coffee to dye your hair: make strong organic coffee, preferably espresso. Non-organic coffee most likely contains some added chemicals. Let your coffee cool. Mix 2 cups of leave-in all-natural conditioner with 2 tablespoons of organic coffee grounds and 1 cup of cold brewed coffee. Apply the mixture onto your hair and leave in for about an hour. It will give your hair beautiful chocolate color, that is free from any damaging chemicals. Another simpler option is known as a coffee rinse. Shampoo your hair first, and then pour coffee over your head. Leave in for 20 minutes. Use apple cider vinegar to rinse the coffee out of your hair. Then rinse it off with warm water. If you are not happy with your results, continue the same process for a few days in a row. This will allow the coffee to penetrate the strands of your hair. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.